Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Outlook error 0x800ccc0f step by step in the easiest way possible. This error usually happens when Outlook cannot connect to the email server, email stops sending or receiving, internet connection becomes unstable, or Outlook account settings are incorrect. The good news is that this problem is usually very easy to fix. So let's go through all the solutions one by one. So, method 1, check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet connection is working correctly. Try opening Google, YouTube, or any website in your browser. If websites are not loading properly, restart your Wi-Fi router, disconnect and reconnect your internet, or restart your computer. A weak or unstable internet connection is one of the most common reasons for Outlook error 0x800ccc0f. After reconnecting your internet, open Outlook again and check if the error is fixed. If the problem still appears, move to the next solution. Method 2, restart Outlook completely. Now, let's restart Outlook properly. First, close Outlook completely. Then, press Ctrl-Shift-Escape, open Task Manager. Look for Microsoft Outlook, Outlook.exe. If you see it running in the background, right-click it, then click End Task. This force closes Outlook completely. Now reopen Outlook and try sending or receiving emails again. Sometimes Outlook freezes in the background, and restarting it fixes the connection issue immediately. You can also restart your PC before reopening Outlook for better results. Method 3, repair your Outlook account. If the error is still there, your Outlook account settings may be incorrect. Open Outlook, then go to File, Account Settings, Account Settings. Now select your email account, click Repair. Follow the repair steps shown on the screen. Make sure your email address is typed correctly, your password is correct, incoming mail server settings are correct, outgoing mail server settings are correct. Incorrect server settings are another very common cause of error 0x800ccc0f. Once the repair finishes, restart Outlook, then test your email again. If it still doesn't work, try the final method. Method 4, create a new Outlook profile. Sometimes your Outlook profile becomes damaged or corrupted. Creating a new profile can fix the problem completely. Here's how. Open Control Panel, Mail, Show Profiles. Now click Add. Type a new profile name and click OK. Then sign into your email account again. After setup, select Always Use this profile. Choose the new profile, click Apply, then press OK. Now open Outlook again. Many users fix error 0x800ccc0f using this method because it creates fresh Outlook settings. Helpful wrap-up. So those are the best ways to fix Outlook error 0x800ccc0f in 2026. In most cases, restarting Outlook, repairing the account, or creating a new profile will solve the problem quickly. Just follow the method carefully one by one until the error disappears. Step summary. Quick recap. 1. Check your internet connection. 2. Restart Outlook completely. 3. Repair your Outlook account. 4. Create a new Outlook profile. These methods fix the error for most Outlook users. I hope one of these methods helped you fix Outlook error 0x800ccc0f successfully. This error can look scary at first, but in most cases it's caused by internet connection problems, incorrect Outlook settings, or a damaged Outlook profile. The good thing is that you usually don't need any advanced technical skills to fix it. Just follow each method slowly and carefully. If one solution doesn't work, move to the next one until the problem is solved. Also, make sure Outlook is updated, Windows is updated, and your email password is correct. These small things can also help prevent Outlook errors in the future. If you still have questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll try to help. And if you want more tutorials like this, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tech videos. Thanks again for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.